respect to our district supervisor, Dr. Eduardo T. Yasaya, our principal, Dr. William I. Bukia, our guest speaker, Mrs. Jocelyn E. Sacanas, Principal to Mualbual Central Elementary School, our barangay officials, headed by Honorable Mario Tembior, Master, teachers, parents, and visitors, good morning. On behalf of the Kindergarten Computers 2023-2024, I would like to thank you all for coming here today to celebrate this memorable event, our moving up ceremony. Kindergarten days were very exciting and challenging, from fingerprints to ABCs, discovering new colors, shapes, and stories, learning new things, and making new friends. Those kindergarten days hold a treasure of memories and a treasure hunt of excitement and wonder, where every day holds a promise of something magical. I would like to say thank you to all our classmates who gave me company and friendship. I would like to say thank you to our teachers for always being there to teach us. Your education lights the path to our success. I'd like to say thank you to my parents who gave us patience and who are always there to guide us, and whose unwavering support and wisdom left us higher in the years. But most importantly, I would like to say thank you, God, for giving us wisdom and strength. I hope we shall all have a more challenging, playful, and wonderful school year ahead. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.